I love the way this turned out. There's a lot of things wrong with it, but for my first furniture, I love it. This is a Walmart $12 fabric, so it's not really good quality fabric, but it'll do for right now. Once I get a better quality fabric, I'm going to enclose this.